over the past, say, 10 years, we have seen tremendous progress based on such communication among doctors from all over Asian countries. And considering the status about 10 years ago, it's tremendous changes in terms of shorter time of operation and the good quality, new indication, and so on. So I thank all the participants and the speakers for your generous contribution to this treatment.
I think Dr. Zhang make really important things, not only for the Asian doctors, for the world society. The focus sound surgery will be one of the most important technology in the future, especially in the treating many incurable brain disease. And I hope that continuing at this time of the meeting will make great progress not only in Taiwan but also in many countries in the world.
This meeting is an excellent opportunity for neurosurgeons, neurologists and other medical doctors to meet and share their experience and opinions about the different indications. And I'm really thrilled to see that, and I hope that in the coming years we can talk about more other new indications.
Today, we explore the transformative potential of MRgFUS NEURO in treating neurological disorders like Parkinson's disease and essential tremor with esteemed experts from many countries. Together, we are not only pushing the boundary of the medical science, but also improving the patient outcome and the quality of life through innovative treatment.
Hi, I'm Dr. Dominic Camora, and I'd like to welcome you to this year's MRgFUS Symposium here in Taiwan. And this is a very good venue for neurologists and neurosurgeons alike to actually learn more about these new treatment options for our patients with neurodegenerative disorders and like Parkinson's, essential tremors, and dystonia.
Hello, I'm Dr. Wu Pei Han from the Zhangbin Memorial Hospital. I'm the neurologist of the movement disorder. I think the MRgFUS will be very good and very important tool in the future for the neuromodulation and the neurosurgeon, because the MRgFUS have a low damage, low injury, and a high quality and accuracy of the neurosurgeon. So I think that that will be a trend to our future and give our neurodegenerative disease patient a better future. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shiro Horisawa from Tokyo Women's Medical University. And focus ultrasound is a really important technology in our field to treat movement disorder and psychiatry or any other neurodegenerative diseases. So I really hope to join the next time in the meeting. Thank you so much.
Hello, international colleague. I'm Dr. Saran, a neurosurgeon from Bangkok. I have attended the 5th MRI guided focused ultrasound in Taiwan. This workshop, we will share knowledge together among neurologists and neurosurgeons for the role of the MRI guided focused ultrasound to treat various kinds of movement disorder. Also, we update and share different opinions on a novel target. I think if you are interested in the field of non-pharmacological treatment movement disorder, this workshop will fulfill and fruitful to you. Thank you.
I've really enjoyed coming along to the workshop today, and it's a good faculty. There's lots of excellent people. I feel like everyone's been very honest about their results, and it's a good chance to talk through some of the issues to do with, particularly with Parkinson's, focused ultrasound. It's a great group and really helpful to be here, so thank you very much for having me along.
Hi, my name is Dongguk Pang from Jeju, Korea. I'm a PhD to do research about the MR-guided FUS and FUS system. There are many medical doctors who are participating in this MR-guided FUS symposium from East Asia. I'm very happy to have this one.